Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So for in-text citation using AI, you can just search Scribbr citation, then go to the first link that appears on the screen. And here you can see there is an option where it asks you for a title, URL, DOI, ISBN or any keywords. So for example, if I go here, this is my article and I just take this title and I copy it and I paste it here. So when I search enter, then it is basically a journal article that I've been reading. So I'll just click that. I'll click it, and here you can see this is the reference list that I'll be using for my bibliography. These both are for in-text citation and this is for the bibliography. So here it is inserted. Now what I'll do, I'll say I have a book as well. So I'll simply let's say I can go with the name, or I can even also go with the link. Here I'll also go with the name, or here you can see I can also go with ISBN number. Let's suppose I go with ISBN number this time, and I'll just copy the ISBN number. I'll search, and here you can see it's giving me the name of the book. Now here you can see the bibliography has been added. So now I can sort them as A to Z because that's how we have to do the referencing in the Word document. And now what I'll do, I'll just click these two and I'll go to copy to clipboard. Then I'll go to the Word document and I'll just press Ctrl V. And here you can see both the references are copied here. And if you want to create a link for this, you can also just copy it. So thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this.